Hey guys, what's up? I'm back. So basically you guys already know what this video is because I said I would upload it like 2 weeks ago, but I didn't, so it's here now. I'm just gonna make this intro short so I can get into the video, I guess. But some of the stuff, like decorations, aren't done because of coronavirus, and I will link everything that I did buy for my room in the description. Stay tuned. Let's get on to the video. I'm not having someone film for me. I'm not gonna really be in the video. It's just gonna be my voice. So yeah. First thing we're gonna start with is behind my door. I have a board for these in my Pinterest, so I'll link my Pinterest down in the description if you want to find these exact photos. So I like this because I have specific shows, like my favorite shows on here. This one is from Outer Banks. I had 2 more, but they weren't printed for some reason. Then this one from Friends, Joey and Rachel. Then we have Darnell and Jordan from All American. We have like the whole cast of High School Musical, the musical, the series. And then another Friends one with the whole cast. All American with like the 4 boys. And then another Friends one. Oh, and then there's another one of Friends, because that's literally my favorite. And then behind the door we have just this, I don't know what it's called, bulletin board thing. And then when you walk over to where the big dresser used to be, so we have this shelf, also link in description. Almost everything that's on here is probably from TJ Maxx. We have a little Polaroid photo of me and my friends, another one up there, and then just a bunch of bracelets. We have my bobby pins in there, makeup brushes, what is that called, a pencil, a Polaroid, and then the Polaroid printer. And then right here, also by the way, that's my rings, we have LED lights. But yes, I just got these from Amazon. They were only $5. But yeah, that's basically it. And then over here is like my textbooks because we weren't able to return them. And then binders for school, my backpack, and then the trash can. Next, we have my desk. Over here we have a picture of me and my friends from, I think, kindergarten or preschool. And then, oh, the frame is from TJ Maxx along with that succulent. And then I have the mason jars. And I have this really good light. I think it was from Costco. Hydro flask, lava lamp, more decorations. Inside this drawer on the left I have index cards and post-it notes along with a lot of pencils, mechanical pencils. On the right side I have my remotes and then my AirPods. These 2 remotes are for my TV up there. And then this one is for these LED lights that are on my bed. Pretty cool. So yeah, that's that. And then on the side of my desk there's like 4 little cubbies. Go back to the top shelves. Up there I have notebooks. All my hats are along the middle of it. And in the right box there's my beanies. And then there's just more decorations on the second shelf. And then for the biggest change is my bed. So on the far left drawer I have extra blankets, or basically all my blankets, because it's summer and it's like 500 degrees already. Then in the middle one I have my bags, and the far right drawer is all my tech gear. This is just random stuff. These are for the bulletin boards. That's an empty box. Some colored pencils, more like stuff for art, and then just a game. And then over here from like my door, I have this tapestries from Amazon. I got it like 5 years ago. And then I have some Polaroids along that. I also have fairy lights that I got a long time ago that still work surprisingly. And then I have this chair. And then on top of that I have this Starlight Dream Lights thing. But on my second shelf I have necklaces and bracelets. And then that's pretty much it. Over there I have like a whiteboard with all these different quotes stuck on there. And yeah, that's the full room tour. We're gonna go in my closet since it's very short room tour. And cleaning my closet was part of the process. Over here we have light switch. There's lights up there. That one went out. Okay, I guess there's only one light. So if you want like an in-depth of what's up in those bins to see them all organized, go to my first video. It'll be in the description. There's 2 comforters, and in there's all my stuffed animals. And then I have these 2 hanging things that used to be above my desk. And here I have my hairbrushes, and then like everyday stuff like deodorant, hair oils. And then in color coordination, I have sweatshirts. So thank you guys for watching my room tour. It's been a long journey. It's probably been like a month or 2, but yeah, it's finally done. If you want a full closet tour, I will do so. After this outro, I'm gonna show the final full overview of my finished room compared to like the beginning, so you don't have to watch it. I think it'll just be cool to see them right next to each other. And then at the very end I'll include the clips with like my star lights on and my LED lights in my room. So yeah, thanks for watching, and don't forget to watch my other videos. Bye.